What if an open-source AI model could rival the most powerful proprietary models, while running anywhere from the cloud to your laptop? Well, Google just surprised everyone. Gemma 4 has officially arrived, and it might be one of the most important open-source AI releases this year. Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Built on the same research that powers Gemini, Gemma 4 introduces a powerful family of models, from lightweight E2B and E4B, to the highly capable 26B Mo, and the flagship 31B dense model. And the results are shocking. The 31B model ranks among the top open-source models on the Arena AI leaderboard, outperforming models up to 20 times larger, proving that smarter architecture can beat raw parameter size. But performance is only part of the story. Gemma 4 is designed to be truly open and deployable everywhere, supporting frameworks like Transformers, Llama.cpp, MLX, WebGPU, ONNX, and Rust, meaning you can run it in the cloud, on your computer, or even in the browser. It also introduces advanced architecture innovations, including alternating attention mechanisms, shared KV cache for efficient long-context inference, and powerful multimodal capabilities across text, image, video, and audio. And for developers, Google has finally moved to a permissive Apache 2.0 license, allowing commercial use, modification, and redistribution with almost no restrictions. That's why the Gemma ecosystem is exploding, with hundreds of millions of downloads and over 100,000 community forks already. In this video, we're going to explore what makes Gemma 4 different, how its architecture improves efficiency and performance, how to run and deploy it locally on iPhone, Android, and Windows, and how you can start using it for free today. Let's dive in. What makes Gemma 4 different? 1. Extremely efficient performance. Gemma 4 achieves very strong results with far fewer parameters than many competing models. For example, the 31B dense model ranks near the top of open-source leaderboards, outperforming models up to 20 times larger, showing extremely high intelligence per parameter. 2. Built on Gemini research. Gemma 4 is developed using the same research foundations as Google's Gemini models. This means it inherits many of the architecture improvements and training techniques used in Google's most advanced AI systems. 3. Multiple model sizes. Gemma 4 is released as a family of models, allowing developers to choose the right balance between performance and efficiency. E2B, E4B, 26B, A4B Mo, mixture of experts, 31B dense. This makes it usable from lightweight local setups to powerful cloud deployments. 4. Multimodal capabilities. Gemma 4 supports multiple data types, not just text. It can process text, images, video, audio. This opens the door for advanced AI applications like multimodal assistance, vision systems, and media analysis tools. 5. Long context windows. Gemma 4 is designed to handle longer contexts, meaning it can understand and process much larger documents, conversations, or code bases without losing important information. 6. Truly open ecosystem. Gemma 4 adopts a permissive Apache 2.0 license, meaning developers can use it commercially, modify it freely, deploy it anywhere, distribute their own versions. This removes many restrictions that previously limited OpenAI models. 7. Runs almost everywhere. Gemma 4 is supported across many platforms and frameworks, including Hugging Face, Llama, Llama.cpp, WebGPU, ONNX. This means you can run it in the cloud, locally on your computer, or even in the browser. How Gemma 4's architecture improves efficiency and performance. 1. Mixture of experts, Mo design. Some Gemma 4 models use a mixture of experts architecture, where different parts of the network specialize in different tasks. Instead of activating the entire model for every request, only a small set of expert networks are used at a time. This dramatically reduces computation while maintaining high capability. Result: faster inference, lower compute cost, better scalability. 2. Parameter efficiency. Gemma 4 focuses on high intelligence per parameter. Rather than simply increasing model size, the architecture improves how parameters are used through better routing, optimized attention mechanisms, improved training methods. This is why the 31B dense model can compete with models many times larger. 3. Optimized attention mechanisms. Modern transformer improvements help Gemma 4 process information more efficiently. These include improvements that allow the model to handle longer context windows, maintain better memory of earlier tokens, reduce computational overhead during inference. This makes Gemma 4 much better for large documents, long conversations, and code bases. 4. Shared KV cache optimization. Gemma 4 improves efficiency during inference through KV, key value, cache optimization. The model reuses previously computed attention states rather than recomputing them repeatedly. Benefits: faster responses, lower GPU memory usage, better performance for long prompts. 5. Training improvements from Gemini research. Because Gemma 4 is built on Gemini research foundations, it benefits from advanced training techniques such as better data filtering, improved tokenization, more stable large-scale training methods. These improvements increase model quality without requiring massive parameter growth. How to run and deploy Gemma 4 locally on iPhone and Android phone. For iPhone users, you can simply go to the App Store and search for Google AI Edge Gallery to download the app. After installing it, open the app and it will take you to the main interface. The first option is AI Chat, where you can directly chat with the AI. The second option is Agent Skills, which allows the AI to perform tasks for you, such as generating or working with Java code. When you open it for the first time, the app will ask you to download a model. The models are only a few gigabytes in size, which is very manageable for a smartphone, so you can start using it right away. From my testing, most iPhones from the past few years can run these models locally without any issues. As you can see here, my phone is not connected to any network, yet the AI can still run locally and even generate code directly on the device. For Android phones, the process is the same. Just open the Google Play Store, search for Google AI Edge Gallery, and download the app, which allows you to run Gemma models directly on your phone. With this app, you can run the model locally without needing powerful hardware. When you open the app for the first time, it will prompt you to download a model. The models are not very large, some are just around 2 gigabytes, and even the larger ones are only a little over 3 gigabytes. Once the download is complete, you can start trying it immediately. After initialization, no internet connection is required. You can simply tap on any available skill, and the model will start running directly on your phone. At that point, the generation speed depends entirely on your phone's hardware, especially the available RAM and processing power. If your device is relatively powerful, the result will be generated very quickly. If the hardware is a bit slower, it may take a few extra seconds. In this example, it generated a QR code in about 11 seconds. If you're interested, you can download the app right now and try running the model directly on your own phone. It's a really fascinating experience to see AI models running locally like this. How to run and deploy Gemma 4 locally on Windows. Step 1. To use Google Gemma 4, the first thing we need to do is install the model in LM Studio. If you don't already have LM Studio installed on your system, you can refer to my previous video where I show the full setup process. Stop paying for tokens. Run OpenClaw free, local LLM setup guide with unlimited tokens. Once LM Studio is installed, go to the Models section and search for Gemma 4. You will see several model options available. Choose the model size that best fits your GPU and system RAM. For example, with my setup, an RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM and 40 gigabytes of system RAM, the largest model I can run comfortably is Gemma 426BA4B. After selecting the model, simply click Download to start downloading it. Step 2. Load the model. Next, load the model in LM Studio. For the Gemma 426BA4B model, if you set the context window to the maximum size, the required GPU VRAM may exceed your graphics card's capacity. When that happens, the model will fail to load. To avoid this issue, make sure to adjust the context window to a size that fits within your GPU's VRAM limits before loading the model. Step 3. try a smaller model. Another way to solve this issue is to install a smaller model, such as Gemma 4e4b. After downloading the model, load it in LM Studio and try setting the context window to the maximum size. As you can see, this configuration still requires more than 12 gigabytes of VRAM, which exceeds the capacity of my GPU. When I try to load it, the model still fails to start. However, if I leave the context window at the default setting of 4096, the model loads successfully. Once the model is running, we can test it with a simple prompt, such as, "What LLM are you?" The model correctly responds that it is Gemma 4. We can also try another prompt, for example asking it to describe World War II, and it provides a clear and informative answer. Step 4. Switch to the 26B model. Now let's switch back to the Gemma 4 26B model and keep the context window at the default setting of 4096. With this configuration, the model loads successfully without any issues. I also checked the GPU and system RAM usage, and everything is running within the available hardware limits. Next, I tested the model by asking it to write a C++ program to sort floating point numbers, and it generated the code correctly. The generation speed is also quite acceptable for local inference. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional local LLM running on your machine, capable of generating tokens without any API costs. Using Gemma 4 with OpenClaw. Now let's try using the new Gemma 4 model with OpenClaw. If you're not familiar with setting up OpenClaw with a local LLM, please refer to my previous video, Run OpenClaw Free Local LLM Setup Guide. In that video, I explain how to configure OpenClaw to work with LM Studio. Here, we only need to modify the configuration file. Go to your user folder, open the .openclaw directory, and edit the file called openclaw.json. Inside the file, locate every place where the model Qwen 3.5 is being used and replace it with Google/Gemma 4-26B A4B. After making the changes, save the file. Next, open a command prompt and run the following command to start OpenClaw. OpenClaw Gateway Run. Then open your browser and access the OpenClaw dashboard. Now try asking a simple question like, "What LLM are you?" As you can see, the system correctly responds that it is Gemma 4, which means OpenClaw is now successfully running with the Gemma 4 local model. Now you know how to run Gemma 4 locally and connect it with OpenClaw, completely free of API costs. With LM Studio and OpenClaw, running powerful local AI models has never been easier. And that's why Gemma 4 is so exciting. It combines high efficiency, multimodal capabilities, flexible deployment, and a truly open ecosystem, making powerful AI accessible to far more developers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you next one.